Elon Musk is no stranger to shaking up entire industries. Elon Musk is no stranger to shaking up entire industries. Elon Musk is no stranger to shaking up entire industries. On January 7, 2026, he set his sights on the heart of the AI revolution, the hardware powering it all. For years, Nvidia has been the kingpin, supplying the GPUs that fuel AI's explosive growth. But Musk announced Tesla and xAI would stop being customers and start being competitors. This is more than a cost-saving move, it's about control. Musk's obsession with vertical integration is legendary. He builds his own rockets, batteries, and now he wants to build his own AI chips. He believes true AI leadership means owning the entire stack, from silicon to software. Tesla will design its own AI chips, build custom supercomputers, and power them with its own solar and battery tech. The goal, a self-sufficient AI ecosystem, free from Nvidia's bottlenecks. Musk isn't just trying to catch up, he's building a parallel universe for AI where he sets the rules. Frustrated by chip shortages and delays, Musk decided to take matters into his own hands. His vision for autonomous cars, robots, and advanced AI demands computational power that's simply not available off the shelf. So, in classic Musk fashion, if the tools don't exist, he'll build them. This is a bold gamble, one that could cement his legacy as an AI pioneer, or become his biggest risk yet. The world is watching as Musk attempts to break free from the established order. Will this be the move that redefines Tesla's mission forever? The story begins with a declaration: AI independence. To understand Musk's drastic move, you need to meet Grok. Grok, xAI's creation, isn't just another chatbot. It's designed to be witty, rebellious, and plugged into real-time data from X. This gives Grok a unique up-to-the-minute grasp of the world. But that edge comes at a cost. A massive hunger for data and processing power. Training Grok is like fueling a rocket. It needs the world's most powerful chips, and there just aren't enough to go around. The global shortage of Nvidia's top GPUs has become the biggest roadblock in AI. Musk's ambitions for Grok go far beyond chat. He wants it in Tesla cars, powering robots, and more. But every delay in chip shipments means a delay in the future he's building. Grok's potential is throttled by supply constraints. Musk calls it a race car stuck in traffic. The only way forward: break free from dependency. The Nvidia shortage isn't just a hiccup, it's a threat to Musk's entire AI vision. So, he's accelerating a decision. If you want next-gen AI, you can't rely on off-the-shelf parts. You have to build the factory, starting with the silicon itself. For Musk, Grok's hunger for power is the catalyst for a new era. The solution: total control over the hardware that fuels intelligence. Enter the Tesla AI Independence Initiative, a full-scale effort to build a vertically integrated AI infrastructure. The plan has 3 pillars: custom AI chips, purpose-built supercomputers, and self-powered data centers. First, Tesla will design its own AI accelerator chips, optimized for training massive models like Grok and autonomous robots. Custom silicon means features tailored to Tesla's needs, efficiency and performance that off-the-shelf chips can't match. Next, these chips will power a new generation of supercomputers, far beyond anything Tesla's built before. Musk envisions a gigafactory of compute, a supercomputer rivaling the world's largest. By controlling both chip and architecture, Tesla can eliminate inefficiencies and maximize performance. Finally, Tesla will build enormous data centers, powered by its own solar panels and megapack batteries. This creates a closed-loop, self-sustaining system, AI powered by renewable energy. The company that builds electric cars and solar panels will now use that tech to power the AI, making its products smarter. It's the ultimate expression of vertical integration, a silicon kingdom fueled by the sun. No more waiting in line for chips. Tesla will own the entire stack, the future of AI, built from the ground up. Tesla's real advantage isn't just hardware, it's data. Millions of Teslas on the road act as rolling sensors, collecting billions of miles of real-world driving data. Every time a driver intervenes, that moment is flagged, analyzed, and used to retrain the AI. This feedback loop makes Tesla's self-driving tech smarter with every mile. Now, add the Optimus robot, gathering data on physical tasks, dexterity, and interaction. The same AI models that learn from cars can be adapted for robots, and vice versa. Cars teach the AI about movement and perception. Robots teach it fine motor skills. It's all part of one interconnected system: vehicles, robots, and AI models learning from each other. Data from cars trains robots. Robot advances feed back into cars. All of it runs on Tesla's custom supercomputers and chips. This closed-loop ecosystem is Tesla's ultimate edge. No other company has this scale of real-world data. The result: a data engine that fuels ever-smarter machines. Musk doesn't see AI as isolated products. He envisions a unified intelligence flowing across cars, robots, and chatbots. The same AI that helps a Tesla avoid a pedestrian could help an Optimus robot navigate a factory. Grok's conversational skills could let you talk to your car, giving it complex instructions. Most companies keep their AI teams and models separate. Musk wants to break down those silos. He believes true general intelligence comes from training on diverse data, language, vision, and physical interaction. Tesla's fleet and robots are the perfect training grounds for this unified model. Cars provide dynamic visual data. Robots offer insights into manipulation and interaction. Grok brings real-time human conversation into the mix. By feeding all this into one massive model, Musk aims for an AI with a holistic grasp of reality. Imagine a Tesla that's not just self-driving but also your personal assistant, or a robot that can do chores and hold a conversation. The goal, a cloud-based intelligence, accessible through any Tesla product, enhancing every aspect of your life. The AI industry revolves around one giant Nvidia. Its GPUs are the backbone of every major AI project, from Microsoft to Google. Most tech giants rely on Nvidia, building their AI empires on its hardware. This dependency means the pace of AI innovation is tied to Nvidia's supply chain. While some companies dabble in custom chips, Nvidia remains the core. Musk is taking a different path, choosing to compete, not just consume. He's betting that vertical integration will yield a more powerful, efficient system. It's a classic Musk move. When faced with a bottleneck, build your own solution. This sets Tesla and xAI apart, competing at the level of silicon, not just software. It's a harder, riskier road, but one that could redefine the AI landscape. Musk isn't just building better AI, he's building the foundry for the future. Challenging Nvidia and building a self-sufficient AI empire is a monumental gamble. Chip design is complex, expensive, and fraught with risk. One flaw can set you back months and millions. Tesla is entering a field dominated by giants with decades of experience. Musk plans to spend billions building a supercomputer with over 100,000 custom chips. The hardware is just the start. Massive data centers, energy, and cooling are all needed. Meanwhile, competitors keep advancing with Nvidia's latest tech. If Tesla's chips fall short, the company could end up behind, despite massive investment. It's a race against a moving target, with high stakes. Still, Musk is undeterred. He believes the long-term advantage of owning the stack outweighs the risks. A custom, integrated system could create a moat no one else can cross. It's a bet on Tesla's engineering, and the belief that to win the AI race, you have to build your own track. The outcome will shape the future of AI. If Musk's gamble pays off, Tesla becomes more than a car company. It becomes a self-sustaining AI empire. Tesla would control chip design, supercomputers, data centers, and the renewable energy powering it all. This level of autonomy is unprecedented in tech. Tesla could innovate at its own pace, untethered from suppliers. Need a new chip? Design it. Need more compute? Build it. Hardware and software would advance together, accelerating progress. Tesla's value would shift from cars to AI capabilities, licensing models, selling compute, or offering robots as a service. The car could become a subscription platform for an ever-improving AI assistant. Tesla would be a car company, robotics firm, AI lab, and utility, all in one. Musk's goal make Tesla the definitive leader in the AI age. The company that controls the best AI infrastructure will have an insurmountable edge. By building his own tools, Musk isn't just solving a supply problem, he's laying the foundation for a new world. This isn't just another chapter for Tesla, it's the start of something entirely new.